So let's look at this question here, which is on discrete random variable. So this question was taken from A level, the year 1977 paper on question 12. Let's see if I can do this proficiently. So you're given that the test consists of 5 multiple choice questions. So you have 5 questions in total. Okay, and after which each questions have 3 answers, one of which is correct. So in other words, you have three answers and 1 is correct. Then for each of the correct answer, candidate gets 2 marks. This is correct answer, and loses 1 mark for each incorrect answer. A particular candidate answer all questions by guesswork, meaning to get 1 answer correct will just be 1/3. All right. Then draw up a table to show all the possible total marks from -5 to 10 and the probability of the associated with each mark of this candidate. Okay, great. So what I would suggest is this is a binomial distribution for the number of questions getting correct. So we just let x be the number of correct answers out of 5 questions. Okay, so this case here, this will just be a binomial distribution of 5, and each one getting correct is 3. Okay, so PC here, P correct. Now, then how do we make sense of the 2? I will suggest tabulate it because it helps to see. So you only have 5 total questions here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm just gonna tabulate this because I want to see what are the marks. Okay, here is the marks. So this is correct, getting correct, non-correct. So if you have 5 correct and no correct, so there are only these few cases, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you can be 0 also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me just extend this a bit. Okay, I could extend this. So this one could be extended. Okay, so this is the case. So the number of marks here would then be, this will be, because each correct questions is 2 marks, so this will be 10 marks, right? So this is 4 times 2 minus 1 will be 7. 3 times 2, 6 minus 2, which is 6, 4. And then this will be 1, this will be -2, and this will be -5. Okay, so these are all the possible marks that you get. So, but to draw the distribution table, you just have to draw it. You have how many outcomes? 2, 4, 6 outcomes, right? So this is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we're gonna put this away. So I'm gonna let M be the marks obtained. So this case here, once done, this is M and this is P, M equals to M. Okay, so you start off with the marks, which is just list all of them down. So -5, -2, 1, 4, 7, 10. There you go. So you get everything correct. Life is good. So we're gonna just calculate the probability. Now the probability now here, this will just be Px equals to 0 because you have no correct answers here. Yeah, no correct answers here. This Px equals 0, right? This is Px equals 0. We just put this here. So this probability here will be, so this is Px equals to 1, Px equals to 2, Px equals to 3, Px equals to 4, Px equals to 5. So I'm going to use binomial to calculate, is faster that way, right? So just take out a calculator and we'll see how we can compute that. So what you do here is, this is PDF. So we're just going to put to distribution binomial PDF here. And we are going to just put this as trials is actually 5 and 1/3. So 5. Success is 1/3 and this is 0. Okay, it's actually 2/3 about 5 if you know what's going on here. So just change this to fraction, change your fraction. 32 243. So this is 32 243 243, after which Px equals to 1. So you could just copy this out and change to 1. Same thing, change this would be 80 over 243. So 80 over 243. Then do the same thing, just increase it to, this will be 80 over 243. Then you just continue on, okay? So I'm just continue and fill up everything. So once you fill it up, then that's it. We're going to find the expected mark here. Expected marks would be EM. We're just going to find a weighted average, right? So meaning we're just going to multiply my -5, multiply by its probability, the marks here. Okay, and then just add it up. My -2, actually just -2 times its weightage, which is 80 over 243, plus 1 over 80 over 243, and so on. So I'm just going to key everything in here into my calculator. 7 over 10 over 243. Actually, you could just key in the numerator. Like, okay, so this would just be negative. Let's key this in. Negative -5 times 32 minus 2 times 80 plus 4 times 40 plus 70 plus 10. Let's hope it's 0. Okay, something is wrong. What went wrong? Did I key wrongly? Times 32 plus 80 okay. Oh yes, correct, 0. Okay, there you go. So I keyed wrongly just now. So just key the numerator will do. After that, use the table and find the variance of this distribution. I think finding the variance is okay. So I'm just going to write everything out now. So finding the EM square is also okay, right? So basically square 32, but we could just use calculator, I presume. But okay, never mind. I'm just going to do this first. Maybe I should just use calculator because it's too much work now. So this case here, I'm just key in menu stats, one variable stats, and just key this in. 5 -2 1 4 7 10. Okay, then we're just gonna key the rest in. Okay, then what we're gonna do is just go to option. The option there. This case here would be option, and we're gonna be one variable calculate, I think, and there you go. Oh, EX square is 10, just very conveniently 10. So I'm just gonna write this down. Okay, that would be 10. So this is variance M will be 10 minus 0 square. So that's how we do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.